Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the golden and silver fence in Grey Garden. So if you go to edit skins, there's a golden and silver and even a picket fence. You actually need to be a certain garden level to get those fences. So if you go to the garden guide section here, you'll see that, you'll see that you can get, well, I don't think you can see it here, but you'll get the silver or golden fence when you reach a certain level. I think to get the silver fence, you'll need to be level 20, and then the picket fence is level 10, and then the gold one is level 50 or 30 or something. I'm not sure, but I'll have to check again. But that is how you can get those fences. You'll need to be a certain level. Let me actually check real quick what levels you should be to get those fences. Hold on. I'm checking. Oh, it won't load. Oh, okay, there we go. So, okay, picket fence, level 10. And then silver fence, you need to be level 20. And then golden, you'll need to be level 50. Okay, so I was right. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.